Hi guys, today we show you how you can create a simple application in Java, and also we need to import some libraries, plus we need to use some variables from the type gframe, gtextfield, glabel, and also gcombobox, gmenubar, gtabspanner. And we have another variables, we'll talk about them if we need them. In this tutorial, we're building this application. After I running my project, we'll find this window. This is our application. We have a window from the tab gframe, call it king window, and she has a size plus set location plus set the default close operation and make it visible. And inside this window also we have a variable from type g menu bar, and inside this variable we have another variable from type g menu, call it file, and we have another three variable from the type g menu items. They are inside the variable g menu. And also we have a variable from the type gtabspanner. It's mean these three pages right here. We can add more if we want. And also we have another variable from the type glabel, call it username, and other variable from the type gtextfield, where we can writing something like our username. And we have another variable right here, call it password, from the type glabel, and another variable from the type gpasswordfield, where we can writing our password right here. And we can see the difference between the variable from the type gtextfield and another variable from the type gpasswordfield. And we have a third variable from the type glabel and call it birthday, and we can choose our birthday by using the variable from the type gcombobox. We have right here three variables from the type gcombobox. I choose my birthday, for example, right here. And also we have two variables from the type checkbox, where you can choose a man or woman. And we have a variable from the type gtable, where we can writing our username plus the birthday of this users. And we have this button, okay, we can get the string that we have inside the variable gtextfield and get the chooses that we have inside this three variable from the type gcombobox, and writing the username right here and the birthday right here. When you press OK, great, we have this username exactly that we're writing this in this username, and we have this birthday right here that we writing or that we choose it in this gcombobox. And this second page is for how you can add the image in gpanel, and this I will talk about that in my next tutorial. And right here we're starting to making the application or making the code source of this application. And in the end of this application I press the button exit to close this application. Okay, let you continues. So right here we need to create a new class, call it king window, and also we need to create the constructor of this class, call it king window, also has the same name of our class. And also we need to create the function public static void main that you want to execute our application or our program inside it. And first we need to import some libraries, plus we need to use some variables from all the type that we've talked about it before: glabel, gtextfield, integer, gcombobox, and gframe, gmenu, and gmenu items, and gtabspanner. And also we need to create a method, call it frame, to set the default close operation, and also to set the size and make our application visible, this one. And typing here frame, and in the public static void main we create a new object from our class, call it f, for example, equals new king window. Great, and execute our application. Great, we will see this is our window, we don't have nothing inside it. And second, we need to use the method to create or to add gmenu bar plus gmenu and plus gmenu items inside our gframe. This is our method, and we call it right here, and you execute again. Great, this is our application plus the g menu bar and gmenu items. Create a new window, for example, and reset our application and exit our application. And third thing, we need also to call the method to use or to add all these types of variable inside our application called Jita بتبانا. Wait right here, and we call this application, or we call this method, and we call this method right here, and we execute our application and we will see this is our application. So thank you for everything, and I wish you learn more with you, the king of programmation, the king HOUSSEM. Good luck.